We all want to protect our trucks, and a grill guard is a great place to start. Well, this grill guard from Ranch Hand is a legendary option for your truck, no matter the size. The Legend is a massive grill guard. It's made with 12-gauge steel, so you better believe this thing is stout. Ranch Hand originally referred to it as the donkey knocker, and you can see why. If it doesn't get out of the way, it's going to get knocked out of the way. It's got wraparound brush guards so it matches the lines of your truck while adding extra protection. It's also got this custom punched grill insert to match your Colorado's grill pattern. If you want your truck to have that imposing look, this grill guard gets the job done and then some. This grill guard is a one-piece design and is frame mounted in 4 places, so it's secure for added safety and reduced vibration. It's ready for whatever you throw at it, so if you're out on the trail, you know you're covered. And on the road, anyone who sees you coming will know to get out of the way. If you want to know more about the Ranch Hand Legend Grill Guard or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.